Oh. I was just bringing up these and bringing up this and trying to go up the stairs with this stuff, man. It's like, oh. So what's going on out here is they were just doing some drywall touch-ups, and tile guys here today and getting all the waterproofer done, hardy board down over top of the subfloor. Let me show you this design she picked out. So look at this pattern. You got to go through and piece by piece, and if you get the pattern off, like if one's wrong, the whole thing is messed up. What a pain in the butt. They're all different sizes too, like not one of them is the same size. Like you can see there, a little bit of difference in that one, a little bit of difference in that one. And if you try lining them up on one side, it throws them off on the other side. But just a pain. So we'll get some good forward progress this week. For the rest of this month, for about another 2 more weeks till the end of the month, just gonna keep focusing on getting the interior stuff done. Cabinets are coming in Wednesday next week. This is the fun part. This is where it starts looking a little bit pretty. We can start getting all the stuff out of our house, get it over here, start getting it installed, and finish it up, move on. So, but I'll walk you through. So on this one, we did a little bit different. We closed off the front door, so you cannot go in and out through the front door, which I think we're gonna do on the rest of the property. So everything is in and out through the garage. What we found on the coming in and out through the garage is even if the workers mess it up, we can come in with a garage coating, and in about 2 hours, you know, garage floor looks brand new, you know, for 40 bucks or 50 bucks. Trying to clean the front door and all around the front door and potential opening the door, slamming in the drywall and all that stuff is several $100s, and that door was really expensive. It's an 8-foot tall door. So coming into here, yeah, the entry door is all closed off. So we'll leave this just like this until finished carpentry. Stephanie's doing a nice built-in when you come in here. You know, kick your shoes off. There'll be some storage, maybe some hangers for some backpacks and stuff. Office is ready to go. And if you don't want an office, you can use it as a bedroom. It has a closet space. They scrape the floors when they're done doing the drywall texture. They scrape them and they come decently clean, but you still have to come through here, and floor guys will have to tighten this up. They're gonna have to come back and paint the ceiling. You can see the streaks in the ceiling. You get streaks in the ceiling if you come and angle this way. You can see everywhere where they sprayed, you know, going this way. What you gotta do is put a lot of paint on and then back roll and go the opposite way. It looks like they were either running out of time or whatever they did, but they need to put another coat on the ceiling because it's just streaks everywhere. Once drywall, texture, and some primers in, the rooms really start taking shape. Trying to get the shower done and the hardy board laid and tile installed. That way we can get ready put the tub in. So nice little, we call the Jack and Jill for the Jack and Jill bathroom. So this would be Jill, little closet, windows open, trying to get a little bit of airflow today. It's 95 degrees out. Getting very, very little airflow. Tile room, crazy pattern. So, but it's coming together. We're probably about 6 weeks away from being fully done, so we're out of here for the day.